Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. As the anticipation continues to grow, more dates have been added to reggae artist Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom tour. The tour will see Buju live in concert in the sister Caribbean islands of the Bahamas, Barbados and St. Kitts, as well as Trinidad. The new dates follow the announcement that the tour will begin right here in Jamaica with a concert set for March 16 at the National Stadium. Tickets for that event go on sale on January 16. The latest gigs to be announced are Nassau, the Bahamas on March 30, the 15th staging of Barbados Reggae Festival at Kensington Oval on April 27. Trinidad will experience Buju Banton on April 21 at a concert dubbed I Am Legend. Buju Banton recently made his first public appearance over the weekend. On Saturday night, the reggae icon attended Stone Love's 46th anniversary event, which was held inside Savannah Park in Kingston. In acknowledgement of Buju's presence, Stone Love's Randy Rich paid the Gargamel a tribute with Stone Love dub plates voiced by the Grammy-winning entertainer, some in collaboration with singer Wayne Wonder. Photos surfaced online of Banton sharing in the moment with his musical mates, Capoton. Earlier that day, this photo of Banton and veteran artist Coca T, Deli Ranks and dancehall selector Richie Feelings surfaced online. Buju Banton, whose given name is Mark Myrie, was released from a U.S. prison on December 7 after serving time on drug-related charges. Now in news overseas, New York music artists will be honored with street signs. New York City Council has voted 48-0 to honor 3 legendary artists with street signs in their home boroughs. Rapper Notorious B.I.G., real name Christopher Wallace, hip-hop rap syndicate The Wu-Tang Clan, and American singer-songwriter Woody Guthrie. The Notorious B.I.G. will be saluted with Christopher Wallace Way in Brooklyn. The Wu-Tang Clan will receive its honor in Staten Island with the Wu-Tang Clan District. Woody Allen Way will be located in the Coney Island section of Brooklyn. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. Daedran, thank you for watching.